This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Oil and filter renewal. Apply the handbrake, then jack up the front of the vehicle and support it on axle stands. Pull the bonnet release handle in the driver's footwell, release the secondary catch, open the bonnet and support it with the bonnet stay. Position the draining container under the drain plug at the rear of the sump. Using a Torx bit, slacken the drain plug, then quickly unscrew it by hand and remove it. Allow some time for the oil to drain, noting that it may be necessary to reposition the container as the oil flow slows to a trickle. On this engine, the oil filter is accessed from above. Pull off the weather sealing strip. Lift the cowl centre panel to release it from the side panels and from the base of the windscreen. Disconnect the windscreen washer hose and remove the cowl centre panel from the car. You'll need to remove the scuttle panel to gain access. Detach these wiring clips from the lower scuttle panel. Then unclip the bonnet cable. Remove the two left-hand side lower scuttle panel fixings. Remove the two right-hand side lower scuttle panel fixings. The lower scuttle panel can now be removed from the car. Unscrew the filter housing cap and withdraw it, together with the element. Separate the element from the cap and remove the 3 O-rings you'll find on the 1.7 litre diesel engine's filter. There are 2 O-rings on the 1.9 litre diesel engine's oil filter. Use a rag to clean the cap and centre section thoroughly. Fit the new seals. Lubricate the seals with a little clean engine oil, then locate the new element in the cover. Fit the new filter to the car. Refit the scuttle panel. Moving back under the car, wipe the drain plug and the sealing washer or O-ring with a clean rag. Examine the condition of the sealing washer or O-ring and renew it if it shows signs of damage which may prevent an oil-tight seal. Clean the area around the drain plug opening and refit the plug complete with the washer or O-ring. Remove the oil drain container from under the car and refit the underbody shield if fitted. Lower the car to the floor. Fill the engine through the filler hole in the camshaft cover using the correct grade and type of oil. Pour in half the specified quantity of oil first, then wait a few minutes for the oil to drain into the sump. Continue to add oil, a small quantity at a time, until the level is up to the lower mark on the dipstick. Adding approximately a further 1 litre will bring the level up to the mark on the dipstick. Start the engine and run it until it reaches normal operating temperature. While the engine is warming up, check for leaks around the oil filter and the sump drain plug. Stop the engine and wait at least 5 minutes for the oil to settle in the sump once more. With the new oil circulated and the filter now completely full, recheck the level on the dipstick and add more oil as necessary.